my name is Muhammad Daniel Harith bin Mat Naziruddin. I am from JIM1104C.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Nur Amira binti Azma from JIM1104C.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faiz bin Bahrain and my student ID is 2019234804.
Hi, my name is Nili Rosdiana binti Munshimah Ahmad Rashid. I'm from JIM1104C.
So, for part 1, I will be presenting to you about how to prepare an installation disk using a USB flash drive. To prepare an installation disk, firstly, you will need to ensure that the device you are using consists of 8GB of storage or above. And then, the first step would be to open your browser. Moving on to the next step, we will be heading to the Microsoft website where you are able to perform software download. Next, click on a blue box that said Download Tool Now. After the file is done being downloaded into the system, the next step will be to click on the file. Then, a dialog box saying what do you want to do will appear on the screen. Click Create Installation Media for another PC and hit Next. A dialog box stating the language, architecture and edition will appear on the screen. All you have to do for this step is click Next. Then you will have to choose which media to use. In this part, there are two types of media that can be chosen by users, which are USB flash drive and ISO file. Click on USB flash drive and then hit Next. Next, select the USB flash drive and proceed hit Next. When downloading Windows 10 appears on the screen, please be well informed that the process could take a while to be downloaded depending on the speed of your internet performance. Then, your USB flash drive is ready will appear on the screen, meaning that the installation is complete. All you have to do is click Finish and then there you go. So, this is how to prepare an installation disk using a USB flash drive.
I will continue with the next part, which is the part B. The part B is about the installation of virtual machine. Let's check it out. So let's start. This is the way how to install the virtual machine. We need to open the VMware workstation first. Then you can scroll down here. As you can see, there are two options here, which is Windows and Linux. But for me, I will pick the Windows here. Then you can press the button, the download now. So they are loading. So as you can see at the bottom, there are the process. It may take several minutes because the download depends on the internet connection. So let's waiting for the download first. After you have done the download, you need to accept all of the terms that have been provided by the VMware. After that, you can start your installation, and it takes around 15 to 20 minutes to complete the installation. So this is the process during the installation. We need to wait until it finish. That take around several minutes. So yeah, it finished. Thank you.
So now I will show you how to install the operating system. So the first one, you need to open the VirtualBox and click on the new button and then enter a name for your virtual machine. Then select the correct operating system type and the version from the respective drop-down menus and then next.
Select the amount of memory that will be allocated to guest OS. Select create new hard disk and click next, and new wizard will pop up. Follow the guide and select either a dynamically expanding storage or a fixed size storage. Select the initial size of it and then click finish button. So now click finish and the VirtualBox machine will appear automatically. Select your newly created virtual machines in the VirtualBox My interface and then click on start. The first run wizard will pop up. Tell the VirtualBox which ISO image file is to be used by selecting ISO image file and use Virtual Media Manager to add your ISO image. The virtual machine will now boot from the image and you should proceed with the OS installation. Select language to install time and currency, format and keyboard input method that you want and click next. Click install now. Click I don't have a product key. Select the operating system you want to install and then click next. Check on I accept the license term and click next. Select custom, install Windows only advanced. Click New and Settings as for your Windows. After finish, click Apply and Next. Now waiting for installing Windows finish. And now choose your region. And now sign in your email. Enter your password. Now click to create a PIN. Set up your own PIN. Choose privacy settings for your device. After finish, click accept. Next, if you don't want it, just keep. Next. And then you click next. Click no thanks if you don't want it. And this is your finish. The Windows 10 are ready for you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Bahrain. My student ID is 2019234804. And this is assignment OS installation, and my part is part D, which is setting up operating system. So let's go to hear my explanation. For part D, which is setting up your operating system, I will start first with show desktop icon. The desktop icon that I will show is 5, which is my computer, recycle bin, documents, control panel, and last one is network. Network you can get from go to Wi-Fi icon and right click, and here open network and internet settings. Next step is change my wallpaper to your ITM logo. Go to your ITM logo, click on apply, right click and set as desktop background. So my wallpaper are changed to your ITM logo. Next step is show how to install device driver. For this step, go to search box and search device manager. For install device driver, you go and choose any hardware that you want. For the example, I choose audio input and output, and I choose speaker or headphone. Click this, and at the top of menu, go to driver. Select update driver and select browse my computer for driver. Click next and click this, search for update drivers on Windows Update. So I was wait to the result of the install the device drivers. So this is the result, which is successful to install, and my Windows update is already up to date. Okay, complete the step of install device drivers. Next step is perform disk partition. For this partition, go to my computer icon and right click. Also click manage. After click the manage, you go at the storage and click this management. Go to OS and click shrink volume. So wait a minute to open the shrink volume. Okay, the size of available shrink space is for my laptop is 0 MB, so you can put the amount that follow your laptop. After you enter the number, you can click the shrink. After that, OK and finish. Okay, done for perform this partition. Next is to set up virtual memory. For set up the virtual memory, we go to control panel. After that, click system and security, and then click system. Next step is advanced system setting. Here, at performance column, click setting, and then click adjust best performance. I choose use drop shadow, smooth scroll, and show timeline. Click OK. So the virtual memory are already set up, and the final step is click OK. Next, we will move to create user account. Go to control panel and go to user account. Click user account and click manage another account. So here, add a new users in PC and click add someone else to this PC. For users account, you click I don't have this person sign in information. Click here. After that, you fill the email. Okay, after that you create a password, and then you can complete the registration step. And this step is same with others registration. So this is my account or users new account that I already create, and click the change account type. You can change the account type from standard number to administrator, or you can still use administrator user. For me I choose standard user. Okay, settle for create user account. Next we will move to how to share folder. To share folder, I will create a new folder and I rename as JIM1104C. Okay, these are the new file. Add a new file, you click add a new file, go to right click and properties, go to sharing menu and click share. Okay, so you can enter the name who you want to share. So I will share with myself. Okay, click add and this is the new name. The permission level you can edit, read or write. So I choose read and write. Okay, I click share. Okay, it's already shared. Your folder is shared. Okay, so click done and close. Okay, settle for share folders, and next is run task manager. For the run task manager, go to menu button, right click and go click task manager. Okay, here the task manager show the Microsoft Edge. Click Microsoft Edge and click end task. So the Microsoft Edge are closed. And the last one is run device manager. Click control panel and click device manager. So I click audio. I choose audio input and output. So click the speaker and right click and go to properties. And you click OK, and the device manager are already run. Okay, done for part D. Thank you.
In conclusions, these are the processes and procedures we must follow to create a virtual machine and install Windows 10. To ensure that the operating system can be utilized and functions properly, we must have enough storage space and complete all of the instructions that exactly they gave to be downloaded in the laptop or desktop. That's all from me. Thank you.